Lesson 7.
In this lesson, we will deal with a few rules which govern the lengthening of the fatha, kasra and dhamma sounds. 1. To lengthen the fatha sound, there are two methods. By putting a small alif sign above the letter. For example, ma is a fatha sound. You open the mouth, ma. And it's a short sound. The direction of the sound is upward. So that's the rule for fatha sound. Now to lengthen the fatha sound, you need to put a small alif above the letter. And this way it lengthens the fatha sound to ma, ja, wa, qa, ra, ha, ya. With the fatha sign, the sound produced is ma. With the small alif above the letter, the sound changes to ma. The second method, by joining the alif along with the letter, the fatha sound is lengthened. So we have a short fatha sound, ra, and by joining an alif, you have ra. Here you have to note, ra belongs to one of the 6 letters that what comes before can be joined and what comes after cannot be joined. So here the alif is not joined to the ra but just written by the side of it. But it is a long sound. So we have to pronounce this ra, na, na. Here na does not belong to one of the 6 letters. So we can join the alif along with the letter. So that's why here you can see the alif is joined to the letter na. Both the above methods give the same sound. Ba, ba, ja, ja, sa, sa, sha, sha. Let's go to the exercise for lesson 7, lengthen fatha sounds. Exercise 7. In section A, we will see all the lengthened fatha sounds here. I'm going to read them for you. Ba, ba, ja, ja, ra, ra, ma, ma, ha, ha, sa, sa, ta, ta, sha, sha, qa, ha, wa, sa, da, tha, fa, ya, na, qa, za, da, ha, ta, wa, la, a, da, fa, ya, a, la, ta, a, tha, dha, la, gha, na, a, kha, sa, la, ka, da, za, gha. Section B. Di, na. You have a kasra sound di and you have a lengthened fatha sound na. So you read it di, na. A, tha. We have 2 lengthened fatha sounds. A, tha. Ma, tha. Two lengthened fatha sounds. Ma, the. Biha. B kasra, lengthened fatha. Biha. Akhi. Aba. Ali. Idha. Aya. Diha. Wama. Hina. Qadha. Bima. Yaqa. Dara. Kana. Fama. Wala. Bala. Aba. Qala. Ala. Zada. Kama. Ala. Lana. Kala. Nawa. Taha. Hada. Yaba. Qana. Khali. Ghawi. Matu. Kafi. Hana. Hati. Sala. Raha. Iba. Naha. Sila. Sadi. Hadha. Afala. Jahidi. Ahad. Here if you notice there's a lengthened fatha sound. Ah and had is the Sukon group. Had. Ahad. Dhalika. Sadiq. Here you have a lengthened fatha sound. Sa and you have dik. Sukon group. Dik. Sadiq. Kanat. Lengthened fatha sound. Ka-nat. Sukon group. Ka-nat. He kasra. Ja lengthened fatha. B kasra. Hijabi. Ki kasra. Ta lengthened fatha. Bu dhamma. Kitabu. Khitabi. Dhikrina. Dhik Sukon group. Ri kasra. Na lengthened fatha. Dhikrina. Adhabi. A fatha. The lengthened fatha. Bi kasra. Adhabi. Qarari. Ka fatha. Ra lengthened fatha. Ri kasra. Qarari. Atayna. A lengthened fatha. Tai diphthong. This is tai diphthong. Na lengthened fatha. Atayna. Ah Sukon group. Ya lengthened fatha. Ha lengthened fatha. Ah ya ha. Ba sana. Ba Sukon group. Sa fatha. Na fatha. Lengthened fatha. Ba sana. Al Sukon group. Ba lengthened fatha. Ba fatha. Al baba. Akhirata. A lengthened fatha. Khi kasra. Ra fatha. Ta fatha. Akhirata. Qadhalika. Ka fatha. Dha lengthened fatha. Li kasra. Ka fatha. Qadhalika. Wa ma qaidu. Wa fatha. Ma lengthened fatha. Qai diphthong. Du dhamma. Wa ma qaidu. Ja'alnahu. Ja fatha. Al Sukon group. Na lengthened fatha. Hu dhamma. Ja'alnahu. Atharihim. A lengthened fatha. Tha lengthened fatha. Ri kasra. Him Sukon group. Atharihim. Warafa'na. Wa fatha. Ra fatha. Fa Sukon group. Na lengthened fatha. Warafa'na. munafiqati. Mu dhamma, na lengthen fatha, fi kasra, qa lengthen fatha, ti kasra. Munafiqati. Wa athabahum. Wa fatha, a fatha, tha lengthen fatha, ba fatha, hum sukun group. Wa athabahum. Lil anami. Lil sukun group, a fatha, na lengthen fatha, mi kasra. Lil anami. Kama kubita. Ka fatha, ma lengthen fatha, ku dhamma, bi kasra, ta fatha. Kama kubita. Mushrikati. Mush sukun group, ri kasra, ka lengthen fatha, ti kasra. Mushrikati. Arada bikum. A fatha, ro lengthen fatha, da fatha, bi kasra, kum sukun group. Arada bikum. Al maluhum. Al sukun group, ma lengthen fatha, lu dhamma, hum sukun group. Al maluhum. Sadadnakum. Sa fatha, dad sukun group, na lengthen fatha, kum sukun group. Sadadnakum. Section C. Am lil insani. Am lil insani. Am sukun group, lil sukun group, in sukun group, sa lengthen fatha, ni kasra. Am lil insani. An dhikrina. An sukun group, dhik sukun group, ri kasra, na lengthen fatha. An dhikrina. Kaifa kana aqibatu. Kai diphthong, fa fata. Kaifa, ka lengthen fatha, na fatha. Kana, a lengthen fatha, ki kasra, ba fatha, tu dhamma. Aqibatu. Kaifa kana aqibatu. Sa'a. You will notice the ya is silent because earlier on we had explained that the ya and waw and alif, though they are written in words, when you read them, they are silent if there are no signs or sign above them. If you don't have a fatha, kasra or dhamma above them. Here you don't have anything above the ya, you notice. So that's why, though it's written in words, but while reading, they are ignored. Sa'a. Na, da. Na lengthen fatha, da lengthen fatha. Na, da. Qura. Ku dhamma, ra lengthen fatha. Qura. A fatha, la lengthen fatha. Ala. Alma. Al sukun group, ma lengthen fatha. Alma. Awfa. Aw diphthong, fa lengthen fatha. Awfa. Again remember, wa with sukun, ya with sukun, and before that if they come, if a fatha comes, they are usually diphthongs. So awfa, aw is a diphthong, fa lengthen fatha. Alta. Al sukun group, ta lengthen fatha. Ahza. Ah sukun group, za lengthen fatha. Ahza. Kusala. Ku dhamma, sa lengthen fatha, la lengthen fatha. Kusala. Yakhfa. Yakh sukun group, fa lengthen fatha. Awha. Aw diphthong, ha lengthen fatha. Yatama. Ya fatha, ta lengthen fatha, ma lengthen fatha. Yatama. Yardo. Yar sukun group, do lengthen fatha. Anil hawa. A fatha, nil sukun group, ha fatha, wa lengthen fatha. Anil hawa. Here you notice nil becomes a sukun group. There is an alif that is again silent because, as I said, alif, waw and ya, sometimes they are there, and this is actually an article the. So anyway, the alif is silent. There are some grammar rules which we'll come to at the end of the book. But now we just stick to just pronouncing as is. Anil hawa. The alif is silent, so we're not pronouncing the alif. And nil becomes the sukun group here. A fata, nil sukun group. Ha fata, wa lengthen fata. Anil hawa. Qala ara'aitaka. Qa lengthen fata, la fata, a fata, ra fata, I diphthong, ta fata, ka fata. Qala ara'aitaka. Sidratil muntaha. Sid sukun group, ra fata, til sukun group, mun sukun group, ta fata, ha lengthen fata. Sidratil muntaha. Here again, til is a sukun group. The alif is there, but no, there is no sign above it, so it is silent. So til is how it becomes a sukun group. Sidratil mun sukun group, ta fata, ha lengthen fata. Sidratil muntaha. Allama wa atgha. Al sukun group, la fata, ma fata, wa fata, at sukun group, gha lengthen fata. Allama wa atgha. Bimane tada. Bi kasra, ma fata, neh sukun group, ta fata, ta lengthen fata. Bimane tada. Again here alif is silent, so neh is the sukun group. Bimane tada. Fa habitat. Fa fata, ha fata, bi kasra, tat sukun group. Fa habitat. A'malahum nanqusuha min atrafiha. Al sukun group, ma lengthen fata, la fata, hum sukun group. A'malahum nan sukun group, qu dhamma, su dhamma, ha lengthen fata. Nan qusuha. Min sukun group, at sukun group, ra lengthen fata, fi kasra, ha lengthen fata. Min atrafiha. Wa habitat a'malahum nanqusuha min atrafiha. Lesson 7, lengthen fata. We are going to do some exercise on the whiteboard, at least so that way you can, I'll explain it more clearly. Two ways of lengthening the fata sound. One by putting a small alif over the letter, and the second method by joining the alif with the letter. Ma, ra. Na, na. Ba, ba. Here you see both the methods. Small alif over the letter. Here the alif joined with the letter. Ba, ba. Ja, ja. Sa, sa. Sha, sha. Di, na. Di is a kasra. Na lengthen fata. Di, na. A, tha. A is lengthen fata. Tha is lengthen fata. A, tha. Ma, tha. Bi, ha. Fa, ma. Wa, la. A, had. A is a lengthen fata. Had is sukun group. So a, had. Dhalika. Now here you have the lengthen fata and li kasra ka fata. Dhalika. Sadiq. Sa lengthen fata. Dik sukun group. Sadiq. Dhikrina. Dhik sukun group. Ri kasra. Na lengthen fata. rina. Ba sana, ba, ba. So ba is a sukun group, sa fata, na lengthen fata. Ba sana. Sadadnakum, sa fata, dad sukun group, na lengthen fata, kum sukun group. Sadadnakum. Here we can go to first to short sentences. Sukun group, lil sukun group, lil, in. See, there's an alif inside the lam, so that's the one, that's a sukun group. In, sa lengthen fata, ni kasra. So we read this as lil, in, sa, ni. Lil, in, sa, ni. Sukun group is a short sound. Lil sukun group is a short sound. In sukun group is a short sound. Lil, in, sa, ni. Sa lengthen fata, long sound. Ni kasra. Lil, in, sa, ni. An, dhikrina. An sukun group. Dhik sukun group. Ri kasra, na lengthen fata. An dhikrina. Kaifa kana aqibatu. Kai diphthong. Now we have come to diphthong. Ya with sukun. Fata followed by ya with sukun is one diphthong. And the other diphthong is fata followed by wa with sukun. So that's the other diphthong. So here we see the fata followed by ya with sukun diphthong. Kai, fa fata, kaifa. Ka lengthen fata, na fata. Kana, a lengthen fata. Ki kasra, ba fata, tu dhamma. Kaifa, kana, aqibatu. Again, as I explained earlier, ya does not have any sign above it. Alif, waw and ya, they do not have any sign. Though they appear in words, while reading, they are ignored. So here we ignore the ya and we read it as sa fata, a lengthen fata. Sa na da, na lengthen fata, da lengthen fata. Na, da. Qura, kudama, ra, lengthen fata. Qura. La, a fata, la, lengthen fata. La. Ma, al, sukun group, ma, lengthen fata. Ma. Fa, diphthong, fa lengthen fata. Fa. Ma, ya fata. Ta lengthen fata, ma lengthen fata. Ma. Fa habitat, ma lahum. Fa fata, ha fata, bi kasra, tat sukun group, fa habitat, al sukun group, ma lengthen fata, al ma, la fata, hum sukun group. Fa habitat, al ma lahum. Nan sukun group, ku dhamma, su dhamma, ha lengthen fata. Nan qusuha min atrafiha. Again, nan sukun group, ku dhamma, su dhamma, ha lengthen fata. Min sukun group, at sukun group, ra lengthen fata. fi kasra, ha lengthen fatha. So let me read that again. Nan qusuha min atrafiha. Homework, lengthen fatha sounds. Give 5 examples of the lengthened fatha sounds to both the methods. One, a small alif above the letter, and the other by joining the alif along with the letter. Ma, sa, sha, ja, wa. Give one example of one lengthened fatha, one kasra, one fatha. Zalika. Za is a lengthened fatha. Zalika. One example of a sukun group, a lengthened fatha, a fatha. Al, sukun group. Ba, lengthened fatha, ba, fatha. Al, ba, ba. One example of a fatha, lengthened fatha, diphthong, dhamma. Wa, fatha. Ma, lengthened fatha. Diphthong, kai. Kai. And dhamma, du. Wa, ma, kai, du. One example of a sukun group, a lengthened fatha, dhamma, sukun group. Sukun group, al, lengthened fatha, ma, dhamma, lu, sukun group, hum. Al, ma, lu, hum. One example of dhamma, lengthened fatha, kasra, lengthened fatha, kasra. Mu, dhamma. Na, lengthened fatha. Fi, kasra. Qa, lengthened fatha. Ti, kasra. Munafiqati. One example, lengthened fatha, kasra, sukun group. A, lengthened fatha. Tha, lengthened fatha. Ri, kasra. Him, sukun group. A, tha, ri, him. One example, sukun group, lengthened fatha, Ah, sukun group. Ya, lengthened fatha. Ha, lengthened fatha. Ah, ya, ha. One example, sukun group, fatha, lengthened fatha, kasra. Lil, sukun group. A, fatha. Na, lengthened fatha. Mi, kasra. Lil, anami. One example, fatha, sukun group, lengthened fatha, dhamma. Ja, fatha. Al, sukun group. Na, lengthened fatha. Hu, dhamma. Ja'alnahu. One example of fatha, sukun group, lengthened fatha, sukun group. So, fatha. Dad, Sukun group. Na, lengthened fatha. Kum, Sukun group. Sadad, na, kum.